Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to make animated lower thirds for shorts in Canva. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to create an animated lower third for your YouTube short in Canva, you need to design your graphic on green screen background, animate the elements, and then use a video editor to overlay the animation onto your video. So simply tap open your Canva app, and once you open it, you need to now simply create a design by selecting the video mode. You can simply select the video mode, or you can also go and tap on mobile videos. So your preference is all yours. And once you have selected it, you need to create a project with a 9:6 ratio for shorts. So now click the colored square on the top left toolbar to change the background. You can simply add some backgrounds, and once you have added this, you can simply in the color panel select for a bright green background. So you can simply select it through your color panel right over there. So once you have selected a bright green background that serves as a chroma key, you can design your lower third graphics. You can add shapes, add logos, animate the lower third by selecting the grouped elements, and then create an animation feature. After this, you can refine your timing and hit the export button. Now overlay your lower third in a video editor like CapCut or Premiere Pro, and then add your main video. Now you can simply use the chroma key to simply make it removed, and this is all how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.